Welcome everybody. This is Sunday School outing 2023. We're at the wave. It did rain a little bit today, but we got the right temperature to go out and have some fun. Who's ready to go swim? Now let's go. See that? I think this is why they call it wave. Yo en Manila Nat Patise Tayaman Tofie de lo coletua. Yo le hay una polo na me tayo yo le sungan na faya unga ya nenti. Now now vale as dia também tem na musu maneira então na sunei também tem na Alexe no Chino Teidan Kene na Kelira ya marvaan na tektono lo social muli ayo no le tapi tele o kabili ya veya and autos status na fielaso ya uma pista outside. Ya, wajai mata saudi, wajai panau, berbiar vai, yang cele mak ayu ngade, ada ayu ngade, malu masalu ini dia sini. Nawa fa mai de ko mai yo de me uma ya fa wo pia ta taunga. Thank you. Yo de si tu na yuta ni pula po. Sanda lo ele me yai da wa na ta ya dan. Ko che wo ko lang sa. Ya na Tino Talay. Oi, ya, temos salo lewat tatul, temos lunch. Ya, sebab ingat naik. Saya beli istia, lo lewina le pakanga, lo payai le, tanga ya for the lunch. One layer much more fish.
I went to the water side.
That's it? What's your favorite one?
The big one.
Which one? The slide?
Yes.
What are those?
Thank you very much.
Did you go to the lazy river?
Yes, I went to the lazy river. I went to the slide, opened the clothes, and and to where the little kitties play too, and to it all. Now we're hungry, and we're gonna eat and go back inside the pool. Thank you.
Did you like the pool? Where you going?
Thank you for bringing us here.
Hey, Kiana.
Yeah, she was just
Let's get up. Swim, you like the pool?
Shout out to the Sunday School FISA for Skagit Vice President, and thank you for a lovely day for the kids to fellowship, have some fun in the sun.
Okay, well, everybody's waiting to eat, but we're gonna have Lulu to say the prayer, the Lord's Prayer in Samoa, so we can go ahead and eat.
Loma tutamai,
Mata, Loma,
tutamai, alani, iapa ialo suafa, yo mai lo malo, iapa ialo fungalo malani, pen failangi, efa mai ate matola, tume aita mlaso, efa mangalo, tuang sala, pe mato foi mato fa mangalo inatu, ye wanga lang mai ate mato. Ingin mato pasosong ay lagay mato elang wayo malo malmana tunga pavulaw. Amen. Swim, you like the pool? What you doing here, right? What's your favorite one?
Crazy, supposedly lazy river, but it's crazy river. It's not lazy. It's too. it's
too
too
what?
fast. It's too fast for a lazy river. So, yeah, I think kind of step up their game. Just we're hungry and get our yeah. Then we'll go back in. Toodles capoodles. Sunday.
I don't know.
Malole, a popo tua.